Tonight for dinner, we're going to have some grilled chicken with an Olive Garden inspired salad. So I've got everything that we're going to need for dinner tonight laid out. We've got some romaine hearts, iceberg lettuce, green bell peppers, avocado, tomatoes, cucumber, a red onion, some Parmesan cheese, the Olive Garden signature Italian dressing, and a package of chicken breast. And why I said that this was an Olive Garden inspired salad is because if you guys go to Olive Garden and get their salad, you know that they do not have green peppers or avocados in them, but I really like those, so we're going to throw those in this salad. So I'm going to start chopping up our vegetables for our salad. I've got a red onion here that I'm just going to really finely chop and then put in some ice water to cut down some of like the sharpness of this onion. And I'm just not big on onion, that's why I'm going to cut it really, really thin. You can cut it however big you like it in your salad, but I'm just finely chopping it, and then I'm going to put it and let it set in ice water for a little bit. So I've got like 2 layers of paper towels in here. I'm just gonna let that drain, hopefully get some of the extra water off of it. And then I'll pull those paper towels out, of course, before we eat. First seasoning I'm going to add is this Olive Garden garlic and herb Italian seasoning. You can get this from the restaurant over by the bar. I usually just go in and get a bottle or 2 and it lasts forever. And then I'm going to add some cayenne pepper, just a little sprinkle. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder, some dillo dust, and this is just a little sweet, so I like adding a little bit of this to our chicken. And then I'm going to add some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, just a little bit of it. And then I'll flip these over and put the exact seasonings on the other side. I'm gonna actually like kind of smush them on top of each other because I think they've got me a little bit extra seasoning on them. And I'll put this in the air fryer until it gets cooked through. Ooh, ain't seasoning till you're sneezing. It's like a cloud of seasonings have puffed up from this. Now we're going to stick this in the air fryer. And for a really easy side, I'm going to make these little pastaroni boxes. I really like mixing these. And we've got a Parmesan cheese one and an angel hair pasta with herbs. And these are going to go really good with our chicken and our salad. And now to make our pastaroni boxes, I'm just following the directions on the back. It calls for 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 1/3 cups of water, and then 2/3 cups of milk. And I just doubled it since I'm making 2 boxes. You're gonna put this all in your pot and then bring it to a boil. So now that our mixture has came to a boil, I'm gonna drop in our noodles. And after I get all my noodles in here, I'm gonna add our sauce packets and stir them in. Okay, now that we've got all this added in, I dropped the heat to medium-high, and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until our pasta gets cooked. Now we've got all of our salad chopped up here with all of our toppings. Our chicken's in the air fryer. And our noodles are done. We'll add some milk to thin this up a little bit. It's gotten a little thick since it's been setting. So we'll add some milk to thin it out, and then we'll be ready to eat. And thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this recipe a shot. And if not, I hope it inspires you to try something a little bit different for dinner tonight. So thanks again for the support and love on my channel. If you don't want to miss out on any future videos, press that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content. And I will see y'all in the next one.